guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nidhi, and in today's video we are going to see an Eid cum Raksha Bandhan makeup look. And happy Eid and Raksha Bandhan in advance, and please keep watching the video if you want this kind of a makeup look. And the shout out winner for today is Ruchi. Thank you, Ruchi. Thank you so much for being a part of my YouTube family and supporting me so much. And what you all have to do to take part in the shout out is like this video, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell, and comment down below as to how you like the video and tag me in your Instagram story for a big shout out. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's start by moisturizing our face. For that, I'm taking Nivea Creme Moisturizer. It's under 100 moisturizer and it works amazing. Especially you can use this for makeup looks because it is a little heavy. So it'll blend your foundation really well and give a nice base. For primer, I'm using aloe vera gel. So I'm using Ayush aloe vera gel. You can use anything you have. So I've given you another option also. But here I'm using the Ayush one and I really blend it so that the makeup doesn't affect my skin. Next, for the foundation, I'm using the Blue Heavens foundation and I'm blending it really well. This was shown also in my under 100 makeup challenge. If you're not yet seen, please go and watch the video after this. And then I take a sponge or a beauty blender and blend this really well to form a nice base. And then what I'm going to do is use a concealer. So for concealer, I'm using the NY's Base Concealer. It's in a stick form. And I'm nicely highlighting my eyes because I do not have dark circles, but still it gives a nice brighter effect on top of my eyebrows also. And then using a beauty blender again, I'm going to blend this really well. And now for the compact, you can use any compact. Here I'm using the Lakme's compact. It's a loose powder here in the shade Soft Pink in the shade 01. It's a really nice powder and gives a matte finish, and it doesn't dry you out also, but it's an amazing loose powder. So this is what I'm using, and I use the same beauty blender so that it forms a nice layer on my skin. And I forgot to moisturize my lips, so I'm using the Lemon Trees lip balm here. You can use anything you have. I also showed you an option of Himalaya. You can use anything. Moisturize your lip before applying lipstick. That's great. And now we're going to start with an eyeshadow. I'm using this nude color. This is the Hilary's Rhoda's makeup kit, and I'm taking this and using my finger to blend it out. I'm not using any brush here because I feel it blends really well with the finger only. So I apply 2 coats of it to form a nice dark one, and then I'm using the golden shade and drawing in the line in the center and then blending it. It'll create a contrast of 2 colors and give a really amazing shining and nice look. And then I'm going to draw an eyeliner. So for that, I'm using the Dazzler Itex eyeliner. It's the smallest one. It comes for around like 30 or 40 rupees. And then I'm going to draw a nice thick liner. No wing today because I don't feel like doing. So I'm drawing a nice thick liner today. Sorry for looking in the mirror because otherwise it wouldn't come perfectly. And then I'm using a kajal and I'm going to draw in my waterline. Draw nice and dark in my waterline, and also I'm going to tight line my eyes so that it feels nice, bold and nice. And I'm also going to repeat the same process for the other eye also. And now I'm going to use a mascara. This is again the Dazzler Itex mascara, and nicely combing my lashes. It's really nice and it really gives a nice shape and it's amazing. So I'm using this to line my lashes. And then I'm using the blush from the same Hilary Rhoda makeup kit, and nicely brushing it on my cheeks and nicely drawing it till the end so that there is nice even look. And I put also little on my nose to get the nice pinky effect. And then I take the same beauty blender which I used in the starting and dab it on to remove any excess and give a nice finish. This gives an amazing look, and that is why I use this method. And then I'm taking the highlighter from the same makeup kit, Hilary Rhoda, and nicely brushing it on over my cheekbone and on top of my nose to it gives a really amazing shine, which I love. So even if you wear simple makeup, you will look gorgeous. And then I take the same beauty blender to just blend it all over. It will give a nice smooth even finish. And now what we're going to do is take the brush and just highlight our lips also, the starting and ending. And then I'm taking the lip liner and lining my lips really well. I'm using a pink lip liner and slowly lining the edges, and very carefully I'm doing it so that it doesn't come out. And then what I'm going to use is I'm going to use the green tea extract lipstick which I shared with you in the haul. This is also a very affordable one and a great color. I'm using it in the shade 08 and it's a very nice pinkish maroonish color. It's very nice. And then I'm going to blend it with another Blue Heaven, the maroon liquid lipstick, so that gives amazing color. These two lipsticks give me an amazing color which looks really nice. And now you can see my makeup is done. It's such a simple makeup look but looks amazing. And you can do any hairstyle and pair it up with some nice jewelry and you'll look really nice. Simple makeup but very nice. Don't be without wearing makeup. Then only when you wear makeup you feel more positive. So this is the second hairstyle which I also wanted to show you all so that you'll get an idea of what to do. And this is my outfit for Raksha Bandhan. It's a really nice anarkali in yellow and I'm wearing a legging inside and this is really nice and I'm paired up with some earrings.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell and click all so that you get all my notifications. And a happy Eid and Raksha Bandhan in advance. Thank you so much for watching and let's see you in the next video. Bye.